had hiccups for about half an hour, so it's for record a video. It really fucks you up when you're trying to beatbox. It really fucks you up. Just freestyling. So seeing if it's going to take it away. Usually in the past it has. So yeah, I think that's it. I think they're gone. They're gone. I've had them for about half an hour. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy. Maybe back with some more. And these are all natural, by the way. They just came on naturally. I actually coughed and it gave me the hiccups. Happens sometimes. In the past I've eaten chilies and hot foods for videos, and it's given me, but it's not been as long as these. I might try other techniques. If you have any suggestions for those techniques to try and give me hiccups, drop in the comments below. But that's it. Beatboxing with hiccups. One more time. Cheers guys.